Welcome to the world's largest home appliances brand, Haier. Our founder's philosophy, called Rendemhe, allows employees to have more ownership over the enterprises they work in. At Haier Eskişehir tumble dryer factory, we put this philosophy into practice at Lean Garage. At Lean Garage, we believe in providing a right first-time product to meet our customers' needs. We adopt the principle of zero-distance communication with the customer. Thanks to our simple and modular product designs, 80% of our manufacturing waste products are reused within the garage. We often receive requests from customers to help optimize their workflow. Let's look at some of the products we've developed in the last 8 months. Our trolley system increases carrying capacity according to demand. Pneumatic systems prevent unnecessary movement by delivering the required parts to the worker's golden zone. Our special flow racks enable utilization of difficult spaces which require frontal feeding systems. Our conveyor systems enable bulk frontal feeding, customizable to any workplace. Our pick-to-light systems ensure that only the correct parts are available on the production line. Our support systems are designed to work together with automatic guided vehicles. At Lean Garage, you imagine, we make it happen.